The graduation ceremony of the 49th batch of Field Assistant Trainees was held at the Conservation Training Institute CTI campus in Byrnihat on Tuesday. Soil and Water Conservation Minister Marquis N. Marak was the chief guest. Certificates, trophies and prizes were awarded to the trainees who had successfully completed the course. The chief guest also released the 2021-22 annual report. A total of 23 trainees were nominated, out of which 21 successfully completed the course. The trainees were from different departments and organizations from the Northeast.
The Conservation Training Institute is a premier training institute that offers courses and training programs related to natural resource management, soil and water conservation, ecotourism. Today I am delighted to witness a group of young individuals graduating from this esteemed institute who have gained values, knowledge and skills to make a significant impact in the communities they serve.